Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how YouTube has changed my life as a small YouTuber. Currently I am on 500 subscribers, and if you're a small YouTuber you understand how difficult it is to get subscribers on YouTube. So I am not monetized as yet, but I have received a light from the YouTube team and also some merchandise. Okay, so one thing that YouTube has helped me to do is to allow me to use my voice and to understand that my voice is important and that my voice can help someone out there. It's so amazing to me when someone comments on my YouTube videos and they say that they've tried one of my recipes and they loved it. And growing up I used to be so shy and I used to be so scared of attention. So YouTube has taken me out of my comfort zone and I have learned to express myself. And another thing that YouTube has helped me to do is to learn how to edit videos, because when I started this journey I did not know how to edit videos. I did not know about the tags, I did not know anything about it, and everything that I'm currently doing now is something that I have taught myself. And also it has challenged me to get out of my comfort zone, and it has challenged me to learn new things, because I understand that if I want to post content on YouTube I need to do my research, I need to try new things. And it has been such a great pleasure to create these YouTube videos. And I have also been involved in a group for Africa content creators, and I've met amazing people, and I have also been invited to amazing places by the YouTube team. So if you want to start your channel, I would encourage you to start and know that it is not too late, and just know that every day is an opportunity for you to learn. And I have read a lot of books since starting my YouTube channel, because there was a time where I wanted to do book reviews, so that would challenge me to read more books, because I wanted to have something to say about that specific book. Currently I wouldn't say that I have a niche that I am focused on. At first I wanted to cook, but I understand that cooking also takes a lot of effort. Like, I have to buy ingredients, I have to think, I have to compete with the chefs as well, and I'm not a chef. So just speaking to the camera for me is something that is out of my comfort zone, and it's amazing when I look back at the videos and see how much I have grown. Okay, and I would say also YouTube has helped me to start something new, like a hobby on the side. And I love filming those videos, and when I look back, because some of the things that I learn I forget, so for me this is also like my video diary, where I just express the things that I've learned. And it has challenged me in so many ways, but ways that I really appreciate right now. And if you want to start your YouTube channel right now, I would encourage you to start your channel. And I think the most important part that has helped me to get to 500 subscribers right now is to just try to practice consistency, and also to detach from the content that you create. So when you create something, I know that it's very challenging to let go and detach from it, but once you post something, you need to know and understand that it is now out of your control. How people react to it is a reflection on where they are in their life stages. It has nothing to do with you. And also, when you get hate comments, you need to not take them personally, and that has been a challenge for me. I remember my first hate comment, I was so ahead, and YouTube has challenged me to know that not everyone will like you. And if someone does not like you, or they don't like what you're saying, it has nothing to do with you, but it has everything to do with their attitude and with where they are in life. And I had something very interesting from Dr. Joe Dispenza, where he was saying that if someone loves themselves, it is easy for them to love others. If someone is patient with themselves, it is easy for them to be patient with others. But if someone is angry with themselves, they take that anger out on someone else. And if someone is not happy, they try by all means to make other people miserable as well. So when you start a YouTube channel, you need to understand that there might be hateful comments. Just don't take them personally. But what I love also is that there's that option where you can block out negative comments and just create the content if you want to, and you can speak about anything that you like. Just challenge yourself, get out of your comfort zone. And I know for the introverts out there, this is very scary and it's very challenging, but I would really advise you to get out there and express yourself, learn as you go. Do not be afraid to fail and do not be afraid to start over. Let me know in the comment section if you're also a small YouTuber and what has helped you throughout this journey, and what advice would you give to us, the small YouTubers. I hope this has been informative.